Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to jailbreak your FireStick. This is actually a super simple process, and it'll allow you to download different IPTV applications and providers for live TV, movies, and shows. There's a few small steps to do this, but the first step is going to be downloading the downloader application. We can do this by searching in the search bar in Amazon and entering in the search word, downloader. You should be able to download it from there. If for some reason it does not pull up the application though, we might need to turn on developer settings. We'll do this from the settings on the FireStick though. I'll explain how we can do that in this step. First, go back to your home screen. From your home screen, look at the upper right corner. There should be a little settings icon there. Find that icon and click on it. Once you're in there, we just need to look for a setting called My FireTV and select that option. This will open up another settings window. In this screen, there will be a bunch of different items, but one of them should say Developer Options. If you don't see it, don't worry. Please select About. And inside that new menu, the name of your FireStick will be shown. Click that name 7 times until it says Developer Access Granted. That's the confirmation that the setting has been changed. After that, we can go back to the previous menu. You should see a new setting for Developer Options. Please click there and scroll down to where it says Install Unknown Apps. Make sure that is set to Yes. Mine might look a little different because I already have the app set up. But if you have the downloader app already, definitely make sure it also has the ability to install unknown apps. If it says On, you can go back to the home screen. From there, we can go to the downloader app and actually download any outside application. TVmate, IPTV Smarters, and more. To download, please go to the home page of the downloader app. And note, there will be a browser section. Do not use this browser. Even if you have a URL, you still have to enter it in the home screen in the app and not in the browser. Once you tap on Home, there will be a box you can use. You can download directly by entering the following downloader code, 483923. I'll also add the code in the description below. You can either use a URL link or just enter in a downloader code to automatically access applications. And you can use this to access any apps that you have a link for. Once the app is downloaded, you can find it by going to your home screen and clicking the icon on the right to view all of your apps. You should see the Lemo HDTV application in there. Check the description below for login info, and thanks for watching.